Welcome viewer. This video explains the concept of type 1 and type 2 errors in hypothesis testing. The hypothesis testing process uses sample statistics calculated from random data to reach conclusions about population parameters. It is possible to make an incorrect decision about the null hypothesis. There are two main types of errors, 1. Type 1 error and type 2 error. Let's first discuss about type 1 error in hypothesis testing. Type 1 error, also known as a false positive, occurs in hypothesis testing when the null hypothesis, H0, is incorrectly rejected, indicating that there is a significant effect or difference when, in reality, there is none. In other words, a type 1 error is the mistake of concluding that there is evidence for an effect or relationship when there isn't one. The probability of committing a type 1 error is denoted by the symbol alpha and is often set as the significance level in hypothesis testing. For instance, in market research, a type 1 error could occur if a new advertising campaign is deemed successful based on a small sample size, leading to the allocation of significant resources, but the campaign actually fails to increase sales when implemented on a larger scale. Let's now discuss about type 2 error in hypothesis testing. Type 2 error, also known as a false negative, occurs when we fail to reject a null hypothesis that is actually false. In simpler terms, it means that the test fails to detect a true effect or difference when one exists in reality. The probability of making a type 2 error is denoted by beta. This error can arise due to various reasons such as a small sample size, insufficient statistical power, or variability in the data. For instance, consider a factory that manufactures light bulbs. A type 2 error would occur if the quality control process fails to detect defective bulbs. In other words, fails to reject the null hypothesis of the bulb being non-defective. Defective bulbs might then be sold to customers, leading to dissatisfaction and potentially safety hazards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell.